Are you ready to organize your entire life? If so, stay tuned. I first want to say welcome, and if you are new to this channel, hi, I am Shay Williams. I have just started my business called Boss Life Concierge, and I will help you organize and manage everything that has to do with your business and your life and all around. If you are an entrepreneur and you have a business and you just need some help with organizing and managing your schedule, I'm here to help you do that. If you are a beginner and you just started or you want to start your business, I am here to help you as well. And if you are a stay-at-home mom or entrepreneur mom or a working mom and you just need help with managing your schedule or organizing a space or a morning routine or a night routine, I am here to help you with that as well. We want you to be ready and willing and focused on being a boss and living that boss lifestyle. Each week, I will be sharing tips, I will be sharing tricks, I will be sharing everything that has to do with business and organization. I want you guys to follow me on all my social medias because every day, Monday through Friday, I will be sharing different things. On Mondays, I will be doing Motivational Mondays. I want to get you going and have a positive start to your work week. And Tuesday is Tip Tuesday. I will be sharing a tip that will help you in your life, in your business. Wednesday will be Work It Wednesday. Whatever the tip that I share on Tuesday, I will show you how to involve it into your life, into your routine. Thursday will be Let's Talk Thursday. We will be talking about different tips, or you can ask your questions. It's just going to be different things, but most likely I will have a question of the day. And Friday is What's New Friday. That will be whatever I'm sharing. If it's a new YouTube video, I also have a blog that comes out every Friday, so you do not want to miss that. And my website, I just revamped my website, so it will be in the description box as well. So go over and check it out. I also have a free gift for you, so take a look in my description box. Free gift will be an eye-opener to know if you are a time tamer or a time slacker with your time management skills. I just wanted to come on and let you guys know what I have coming up, what's going to be going on, and all about what is going to happen on this series. So let's organize your entire life so we can live our boss lifestyle.